So I've just received the DJI Mic Mini and we're going to see what's inside the box. So inside you've got this fun sticker, you've got the safety guidelines which are important to read, you've got the quick start guide which will give you the instructions, and then everything comes in this nice little carry case. So you've got different sections in here, so you can include your DJI Mic Mini in there, you can include your wires, your windscreens, etc. And then when you take them out, this is what it comes with. So you've got your receiver, so this is your main piece of equipment here. You've got an on-off button, you've got the clip, you've got the microphone lead there, and then the bottom you've got the USB-C connection. So that is the receiver. Then this is the transmitter. You've got the transmitter charging dock. You've got the charging cable here, which actually goes into two. You've just got a standard camera audio wire, so that can plug into there and then into your camera. You have this USB mobile phone adapter, so that would go into your mobile device, your Android device. And then you've got two different windshields as well, so they would just slot onto the microphone. Okay, and so this is the DJI Mini on here. So you can see I've just clipped it on right here. And this is what it sounds like. You know, I think the sound sounds quite nice. It just sits there. You do have a magnet that you could use if you want to, you know, have it somewhere down here in another area. But yeah, I think the audio quality is really nice.